Pakistan High Commissioner Abdul Basid's invitation to the Jammu and Kashmir separatist outfit Hurriyat M's leaders for consultation ahead of the Foreign Secretary dialogue between India and Pakistan has erupted uproar across the political arena. Meanwhile, in conversation with NNIS, Union Minister Jitendra Singh said that it is Pakistan's responsibility to reply India in a cordial way as India extended its hand for healthy relation. Singh said that BJP-led NDA government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always been keen to develop India's relation with its neighbouring nations. He also added that India will not go by the agenda dictated by any extraneous quarter and it has made its position clear.
No, I think we need not see too much into it. India's position and the Indian government's position on this issue, particularly in relation to Pakistan in the context of Jammu and Kashmir, is very clear. The position remains unchanged and it is absolutely consistent. And India is not going to go by the agenda dictated by any extraneous quarter. Nevertheless, the present government headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always been keen to develop good relations with its neighbours, particularly those in the Indian subcontinent. I think the evidence of this came in the form of the manner in which the Prime Minister took initiative to invite all the heads of SAARC countries to the oath ceremony, and thereafter immediately on a priority basis he visited Bhutan, he visited Nepal, and therefore I think under the leadership of Narendra Modi the nation is very secure, and these kind of events do not actually disturb our approach and our policy towards these issues.
According to Jitendra Singh, if India is putting all its efforts to maintain healthy relationship with Pakistan, then it is Pakistan's responsibility as well to respond in a cordial manner.
Somebody is trying to create mischief, then it is for them to do introspection. As I said, if Indian government is trying to create an environment, a milieu where healthy relationship with the neighbors can grow, it is also the responsibility of Pakistan and Islamabad to respond in the same vein. And if a message goes out directly or indirectly that they are not responding in the manner they are expected to respond, then I think the onus lies on Pakistan, both the government in Islamabad as well as the High Commission in New Delhi.
Powered by NNIS.